cool shot of the moon. Since it's daylight savings, it's really early, but it's already 7 a.m. So here's Kenzie getting her hiking boots on, getting ready.
Hiking boots.
We're going to Zion today. It's gonna be sick, but first we're gonna go eat some breakfast because we didn't get very good food last night. Just had to have pie.
Everything is closed. Everything in the whole town. We were really lucky and we got pie. That's all they could give us. Pie to go.
While it tasted pretty good, wasn't as filling as I was hoping. So we're pumped for breakfast.
Today we came into Zion's at the east entrance, and so we're driving about 12 miles to the visitor center where you can get on the shuttle to go to Angel's Landing Trailhead.
And we just went through a mile-long tunnel. A mile, just through the rocks.
Through giant rocks.
Into the shuttle now.
We just parked our car. It's still cold here.
I know, it's freezing.
Woo!
But it's gonna get really hot real quick, I feel like, especially once we're hiking, so
we had to wear light layers.
There's our shuttle. Let's get to it. Wait for us. We're gonna make it. We made it. Yes. Alright.
There's so much I wasted, I could tell you. Kept in the back of my mind and it just stays there. If only there was a way for me to let
The trail to Angel's Landing cuts back and forth along the canyon wall. You might be able to spot hikers over there.
There aren't as many posters in here. Kenzie likes listening to this. Very educational. There she is again. It's colder than we thought.
It's super cold.
It's windy. We're just trying to survive out here.
Hopefully when the sun comes out it'll feel better.
Yeah. Check this out. There's where we are going to go.
Yes.
Top of that thing?
Yep.
Yep. That's where we're going.
If only there was a way for me to let you know. So here I am without a clue, trying the best I can to understand things can't always go the way we planned. Keep moving forward, there's always a light at the end. I just wanna be where you wanna be for you, 'cause you make everything seem so much better to me. I feel like we've got something left to prove. I know it's not gonna be easy, but it gets better from here, baby, believe in me. Just take a risk, yeah, I swear it'll be worth it. I'll give you my best if you just believe in me. There've been too many times to count when the only thing I thought about was how life doesn't stop for anyone, but I wouldn't mind it slowing down. It always gets in the way. One day we'll figure it out. Do you remember when we drive around the where to go? We drive for miles, getting lost.
Strenuous climb. Narrow route with cliff exposures.
This next sign is something that you'll probably love as well. I don't know if I told you yesterday, but Kenzie's really gullible. Well, not gullible. I don't know how to explain it, but she takes these signs very seriously.
Since 2004, 6 people have died.
You're not gonna be the 7th. It's fine.
We never know. That always said, as long as we have the open road, if we'll take a gap, we'll always find a way back home. I just wanna be where you wanna be for you.
There it is. The road to Mordor.
Look how many people are on there. Can you see it in there?
Yeah, you can see.
It's wild.
Still got that scary stretch to go. Just look at this.
Flat.
Holy.
It's so crazy.
It's intense. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna conquer Angel's Landing.
Cause you make everything seem so much better to me. I feel like we've got something left to prove. I know it's not gonna be easy, but it gets better from here, baby, believe in me. Just take a risk, yeah, I swear it'll be worth it. I'll give you my best if you just believe in me. Everything happens for a reason. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I really think you're free. Hold on to what we've got, there's no way we'll ever stop. We'll never know unless we give this a shot, come on. I just wanna be where you wanna be for you. I just wanna be.
This is really scary, but it's really fun. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, these chains make it really nice.
They do. It's nice to have something to grasp onto.
Yeah, not quite there yet, but we're getting close.
I just wanna be where you wanna be for you. I just wanna be where you wanna be for you. Cause you make everything seem so much better to me. I feel like we've got so much left to prove. I know it's not gonna be easy, but it gets better from here, baby, believe in me.
I'm pretty sure this is the very top.
My best if you just believe in me.
Get the chipmunk. Proposing. What's up, man? Yeah, hey.
Hey, we're heading down. And I wish I was a little chipmunk so I could just scurry down.
There were a lot of people up there. Did that give you anxiety?
You know, it was so wide and there was only one person that we saw getting dangerously close to the edge, so I was okay. It was better than Horseshoe Bend, which is surprising.
Yeah. Traffic jam. It's like we're in Phoenix all over again.
On the way up, that looked so sketchy and so thin, but when you were actually on it, it didn't feel too bad. Definitely kind of scary, but not as scary as this looks. To the paved trail.
Yes! Yes! Now we're going a lot faster since it's not so narrow. No traffic jams anymore.
This girl has got a hold on me, and I pray she won't let go.
Things we do to get a cool picture.
I hope to God she knows. Every time that she says goodbye, it feels so bittersweet. I get to hold her in my arms, but right before she leaves, it took 4 whole years to get us here. But baby, I don't mind, no, cause I've been waiting this whole time. Up until now, you've been the girl out of my.
We ran into some people that we met at the restaurant last night. Just barely took some pics for them. They were awesome. They from Wisconsin here on spring break, and they were telling us about how they got buzzing from some hot dudes.
It's funny. Yeah, they invited us to come to their campsite tonight, but we're leaving, so
And we don't sit hot.
yeah. That too. That's just a side note.
Small detail. To the bottom.
Yay!
Much warmer than it was this morning when we started. It's nice.
It is nice. And it's fun walking past people that are just starting, and we're like, suckers! See ya.